So you want to learn how to drift along corners. Well, it all starts with the basics. Donut. If you can perform consistent and controlled donuts, you can drift a corner. Doing a donut teaches you how to countersteer and how to have throttle control to keep the car in drift and moving in a consistent radius. As you're performing the donut, you will have to turn the steering wheel slightly back into the corner to keep the car moving in a circle, and then you will turn the wheel out of the turn slightly to maintain your countersteer, all while you're modulating your throttle input. You will apply this same method to drifting a corner. Right here, I'm initiating my drift into the corner by powering over. I countersteer and lay into the throttle. Notice as I'm driving around the corner, I'm turning the wheel in and out of the turn slightly to keep the car moving around the radius of the turn. In addition, my throttle control determines how much I have to correct the steering to move around the corner. You have to practice drifting a simple corner over and over again until you can drift through the corner smoothly and with confidence. Once you've mastered that, you'll be ready for the next step, figure eights and transition.